Okay, if you're seeing this video, you're one of the lucky people that might make it to millionaire status before 2022 ends. So sit tight and watch this video to the end. Now, between September of 2022 to now October of 2022, I've managed to make 1.8 million naira, and I've taught my students how they too can make a million every month through affiliate marketing. I'm going to be attaching a receipt because I don't do receipts. Now, affiliate marketing is simply promoting other people's products and earning commissions. Now, people pay up to 30, 40, 50,000 naira for you to promote each product for them. And if you promote 20 products of a 50,000 naira product, how much? 1 million naira. So it is very simple, and it's something that you can do irrelevant of your working condition, and you can do it from the comfort of your house with just your mobile phone. Now, if you want to get started, I'll be giving you all these tips on how to start, the cheapest way to start, the platforms to use, the places to find these products, and the full definition of affiliate marketing. For only 4,000 naira, I'll be teaching you how you can start, the full definition of affiliate marketing, the steps I took, and the cheapest way that you can start, the easiest platforms that you can use. Now, this price increases to 10,000 naira by the end of the month, and I'll be showing you how you can get my mentorship, my copy and paste mentorship that can make you a millionaire before the end of 2022, if not in 1 month. It depends on how serious you are. Now, if you're interested, rush now to my WhatsApp and collect the account number that you'll be transferring to, or you can take it here: 07-655-90123 Access Bank. Iyamu Princess is the name. Rush now if you're interested.